Hello everyone, in this video I would like to talk about how much Envato Elements cost, and as they state here on their page, they show that it's 16.50 cents of dollars per month, but this is a cost if you paid annually, so it's 198. So this is more of a marketing technique in that they use so that you keep the idea that it's only $16 and cents for month, but it actually costs on a yearly basis. If you want to use only for 1 month, it costs around $35 more or less. I already have the yearly subscription, and if you're a student, you will have to pay this one $11.50 on a yearly basis, so it's more or less $138 per year. There's a price reduction, but still this is on a yearly basis. If you want to use Envato Elements for the team of your company, and if you want to add more members, you can select here and the price will be reduced. But here in this case, we are talking that we're doubling the price. So basically this is the $14.50 per month, but in a yearly basis. So it's $174 per member. So times 2 is the $348 per year. So that's the thing, that it's a marketing technique that they use. Also, it's worth mentioning that there are no refunds. So that's another recommendation if you're planning to get Envato Elements, and if you're not really sure that this is the platform that you want to use, then select the monthly version, and if you're okay, then change to the yearly subscription. We can go here to the help center. We can search for refunds, and here is stated, given the nature of digital content, we do not generally offer a refund or credit, so please be also aware of that. And as I have mentioned, either try just for 1 month and then change to the yearly, because if you have selected the yearly, you can cancel, but you won't get the refund. You will keep the subscription until the year ends, but it won't be renewed once you have finished your subscription. So these are some of the details that you might have to consider once you are ready, or before buying Envato Elements, and once you have already Envato Elements. So if you have some questions or comments, don't hesitate to write down. Thanks for watching.